Intercity coach operators have threatened to impose a maintenance levy in the next 14 days if the government fails to meet them for a roadmap to improve 10 major roads across the country. These roads include the Accra-Kumasi Highway, Accra-Winneba Cape Coast, Techiman-Wechi, Swala, Bolewa, and the Tamale-Sablegu-Bolga Highway, amongst others. Addressing journalists at a joint press conference at Nsawam, General Manager of VIP Transport, Adakabre from Manson, argued that a huge chunk of their returns goes into maintenance due to the deplorable state of roads in the country.
It says here, you can't at Roads Minister. You see a roadmap. A roadmap, no, 10 roads now you can't want them. No, you better see a remedial works to be also. You say I can't a select committee. Say select committee for no. So to me, health select committee, it me bois. I'm a nurses, any government of Ghana, employer, no health ministry, a resolve, I'm a roadmap, a quite a a dear, I was here the Yaman nurse for a bayamono. Yes, let's a select committee on roads and highways, no. I want to me moi, a year coach drivers, what Ghana has say. Nasa coach drivers in the Siano, sir, a year purpose built coaches here, dear Jumeno, almost 5,000 coaches, and a several the Ghanaian traveler. Coach no mu ede ba se kwan no anya kwampa coach ni nyeden emu anya den enu nti yesre se eye select committee fo no omama ye bre animu ya na ye no omumahia na omama ye bre animu ya de ne enu se ye bo atwa yam na se bre na ma in the next 14 working days de ne ye kan say omobama Ghanaian traveler no watua a specific levy. He further
outlined 10 major commercial roads in Ghana that needs immediate attention and therefore called on government to immediately tackle and speed unfinished projects to enhance transportation within the country.
A quite Marco 10 and a yes, near the Ato a Roads Minister and him na yede Ato a select committee on roads of the Ghanaian Parliament and him a quite 10 no year canon. The Edikan a Accra Kumasi Highway with the free a year Amasamai Adeba and Nsawam Junction. Visuals no Munina no Machuchabi. Mahunu said a city. Sa particular section no and maintenance. Can say private sector driver for no and I responsible no. In fact, kuomu ma nibraba. And unti anu achire no. We di free apedwan kwanta. E dey call Linda door. And no so ekwana say ama na nka ye fa ne boko kra and I say contractor bi so be remedial work so be dey ben yo. Was about be same kra. Ansa na uduru eye osino krom na wasan aduru anyinam na fe wufri eye anyinam etwam sekire ade ekọ enkọkọ anya de papa number 96 ni 95 eho nyina kwan na sei ansa na wosan etutom atwam nkọkọ soso a on approach se wode kwa sankare ade ko dwaso eno soso enye uvri dwaso kwa yakwe enko ekonongo enye konongo kura de wuduru kuro ni mfimfi ho a aye GCB bank animu ho no no amna atu ewo ho esi egu wo bola enu nyina kwakwaye asem a eha adwene on the Kumasi Highway yehunu se enka aban a watwam wo no na nka ye bypass mako eye enan eye osino bypass enyinesi bypass enyinam bypass ena konongo bypass nanka ama congestion eba kwan no so no nanka congestion no ka ye ho kra ye den atoye kakra.